Hi, I'm Kristen, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is Pilates bridges. We start every single Inferno class here with 3 sets of these powerful bridges. The bridges are key to activating, engaging, and warming up your powerhouse so that you can have a great Inferno practice. Pilates bridges are different than yoga bridges. Yoga bridges are a spinal extension, a back bend that really open the front side. Pilates bridges work with neutral spine and engagement throughout in your entire powerhouse. Lift your pelvic floor, pull your navel in, draw your lower ribs together and down towards your hips so that you really knit the front side of your abdomen together. Side squeeze in your glutes and keep all that as you lift your hips up, only to that point where you keep your neutral spine alignment and then lower down to hover a ½ inch above the floor. Pilates bridges will increase your core strength, not just strength on the front side, but also strength in your spinal muscles and your glutes. If you suffer from lower back pain, these exercises are fabulous. They will really make a difference quite quickly when you do them consistently the right way. Form and engagement is key. You can go through the motions, lifting your hips up and down and get nothing out of it if you do not use the proper alignment and the proper engagement. Let's take a look. Lie down on your back, bend your knees, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart, ankles directly under your knees. Be precise here. If your feet are too far forward, it's too much pressure on your lower back. Too far back, too much pressure on your knees. Make sure your ankles are directly under your knees, arms down by your side. Find neutral pelvis, small gap under your lower back, and 2 hip bones square to the ceiling. Then tie up your internal corset to keep this alignment. Pull your navel down towards your spine, draw your lower ribs together and down towards your hips to form a hip to rib connection. Keep this strong engagement on the front side and side squeeze in your glutes. This isn't a butt clinch. Instead, get the gluteus medius more involved and contract from the outside in. Take an inhale by your nose, exhale by your mouth and lift your hips up and down. Lift only into Pilates bridge, that place where you can keep your neutral spine alignment and the bottom of your scapula are still on the floor. This is different from yoga bridge, which is a back bend where the ribs open and your spine arches. Lower down to ½ inch above the floor and lift back up. Keep the engagement in your powerhouse throughout. Lift in your pelvic floor, side squeeze your glutes, navel in, and hip to rib connection. Keep your knees pointed straight and body weight over your feet equal as you lower down and lift up. Use the Pilates breath here to enhance your bridges. It's a lateral breath. Keep your abdomen in on both the inhale and the exhale. Rib cage expands on the inhale by the nose. Pull your navel down even more each exhale by the mouth. With current COVID-19 concerns, for in-studio classes right now, please practice a variation on the breathing and exhale by the nose. Take your bridges slow until you're sure you can keep the engagement and the alignment. Then you can speed up and tap into the great beats offered by your teacher's playlist and the wonderful energy around you. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.